As a number 2, we have information questions. Information questions in simple past. And for these information questions, we use WH words. WH words. WH words. Which are the WH words? We have different WH words. For example, who, what, where, why, how. You use who to ask about a person or people. You use what to ask about things. You use where to ask about place. You use why to ask about a reason. You use how to ask about manner. Yes, these are WH words. And for information questions, we need WH words. This is an information question. We use WH word plus did to make questions with the simple past or past simple. The structure of information question. Don't forget that this is an information question. The structure is the WH word, any WH word, plus did, plus the subject, plus the verb in the base form. This is the structure of a question in simple past. Now we are going to see if we have all the elements. We have why, this is the WH word. Then we need the did, auxiliary did. Yes, we have did. Then we need a subject. Your sister. This is the subject. Your sister. And finally, we need a verb in the base form. Color gray. Travel. Yes, this is the verb in the base form. Why did your sister travel to Paris? We have an information question. The answer for this question is also information answer. The answer is information. For example, why did your sister travel to Paris? Because she went to the university. Because she went to the university. Yes, we have information. We answer with information in the simple past. Repeat, please. Why did your sister travel to Paris? Because she went to the university. Excellent. Great job. Now let's continue. We have other example. When did you eat shrimp? This is an information question. We have WH word, the auxiliary did, the subject, and the verb in the base form. WH word, did, subject, and the verb in the base form. When did you eat shrimp? When did you eat shrimp? The answer, possible answer, must be information. For example, I ate shrimp yesterday. I ate shrimp yesterday. We give information in the simple past. This question is in the simple past. Our information is in the simple past too. Let's continue. We have another information question. Let's remember one more time the structure. WH word plus did plus subject plus the verb in the base form. Let's see, we have the elements. WH word, did, subject, your sister, and the verb in the base form. Do. Where did your sister do the homework? Where did your sister do the homework? Possible answer. We need information answer. My sister did the homework in the library. My sister did the homework in the library. This is information answered in the simple past. Let's repeat. Where did your sister do the homework? My sister did the homework in the library. Great, excellent job. Now we have the negatives. Let's see the negative part.